My mentor taught me that when engineering is viewed from an art's perspective, when it amalgamates with design, comes something wonderful. So this is the place where I see that opportunity.
I think in general, this workshop is an amazing effort to bring together all kinds of out-of-the-box ideas coming from students in engineering and design colleges from all over India.
For our track, we have a lot of people coming from different backgrounds, so we have some people who are a lot more familiar with typical engineering, and we have some people who are more experienced in design. So we went through having them interview someone, some insights about what the person really needed, and then go through sketching, prototyping, and then asking the person, is this something you would really use?
What our students are currently doing is teaching each other very useful skills like drawing, like
different hand postures for dance, or explaining the concept of parallel universes in 10 minutes.
Let's be synchronous, no? We would be going out into the field to realize a problem and then come back and develop solutions.
10 rupees is not a cost, the value of things matter. These are quotes that we overheard people say, and throughout the entire travel today, we recorded sounds. I always feel if a project doesn't have electronics involved in it, it is much more robust, if I may say.
Well, electronics depends, right? Mechanical things can break. Electronics can break too, it depends on how you design them.
That's what research is about, I guess, right? Yeah. You cannot, if you go and just make it happen right away, then what's the point?
This is a perfect example at the cross of you need to innovate on the fabric designs, you innovate on the fashion fabric, you innovate on the LEDs, the washable, you innovate on how to box it, innovate on how to fabricate it, innovate at every level.
Being able to create your environment, your attitude, your space, and not to consume it.
But my goal here was to get out and do something different. You know, the same as a lot of the students. A lot of them are taking these workshops because they want to do something different than their studies.
I've never been involved in any project like this, like, you know, getting your hands dirty and stuff.
Definitely, I feel like it's opened their minds up, and they suddenly, I don't think they'll ever look at a piece of cotton fabric the same way again. I can guarantee that much, and I feel like my job's done if that's done.
Totally immersively collaborative.
To take one and invert it too. So you basically just make sure it's closed, step one.
And you're going to think about 3 ideas that you have, for things that you might do here over the next couple days.
So we're going to digitize it, we can add echo, we can add reverb to it. So we're trying to combat both these problems by creating a bio printer as well as a bio paper. Tackling the problem of elephants coming into human villages. We're fencing the entire village with virtual sensors.
On the first day we had a field trip, so then we realized that Zardozi is actually a metal wire. We came up with the idea of a speaker, so we can just coil around a magnet.
We are actually planning to write a paper on this and actually work on this.
First they plugged your nose, and they had you taste 3 different kinds of juices. And at first it's like your nose is plugged, so it's just completely chalky and awkward. And the second they take it off, it's like it's Technicolor.
I can see a lot of the people here are just at the beginning of a really exciting career, really exciting path in their lives.
So every day I come home and I think, all right, what went wrong today? What can I try tomorrow?
Being able to look at a problem with different set of eyes, I think that's innovation.
Losing the fear of other disciplines.
Parallel thinking.
Getting jammed and juggled.
Beautiful chaos.
It's all about stimulation, it's about expansion, and it's about ideas.